Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with a meal plan for the week of August 20th through the 26th. Now, this was our spread from last week. It was a pineapple theme, and I absolutely love how it came together. So, some things about this upcoming week. I am traveling for work again, and Mr. Master Plan, he'll still be here, so the dude has to eat. So, this will be a very simplified meal plan, but nonetheless, the budget must go on and meal prep must go on. So the budget was set at $115, and we ended up spending $118.55. So $3.55 over my budget. Not too bad. As you guys are aware, we're on Operation Use What I Have. So I will jump in the front of this home planner and I will pull out one of these to-do sheets. This week we're going with pink, and I would have to say overall, I'm really enjoying using them. It's not difficult. It doesn't make my process any longer or shorter. So right now, Operation Use What I Have is working out, at least in this aspect of things, just fine. Now, I have chosen Poolrific washi tape, and it's from Michaels Recollections brand. And because that blue one has citrus fruits on there, I thought it would be good to use. And remember, for this one, it's every 6th line that you want to do in order to divide up the page equally. So here you just see me marking that down. And by the way, that is an LOL pen that came from Hobby Lobby that I'm using there. All right, I'm going to grab my tools out here to include my precision tweezers and also my craft knife, which came from Michaels. So there goes our purple tweezers and the craft knife. So let's jump in and throw down some washi and see how this comes out. Jumping right in with a thinner washi, we put that down, and then we go to gold, which gives us that needed pop of color, and then we alternate back again to the thinner washi. On the bottom, I lay a thicker washi, and upon cleaning that up, I try to decide what color we're going to put in the middle. So you'll see me try out the yellow. Didn't like how that looked. Then I tried out the pink and actually laid it down. But in the end, I pull up the pink because I really did not like how it looked. It did not make it look cohesive to me. What do you guys think? Let me know below in your comments. Here's how the pink looked down on the paper, and I pulled that right up as I told you earlier, and I decided to go with the blue that actually came with the Poolrific washi tape, and to me that was exactly what was needed. It looks amazing. Now that we have the washi tape issue settled, I'm grabbing 3 Paper Mate flares in hot pink, yellow, and blue, and they are in medium point, and I am just going to put down the dates. So I'm trying to work on lettering and being more creative. So guys, bear with me because that 21 looks a hot mess. And so does the 22 if you want to be honest. But you know what? I'm going to keep trying every week, and you know what they say, try again, and maybe one day you will succeed. So I really like how everything came out. The colors all look very good, even though, you know, my lettering is questionable. To kick things off, we throw down the date in the header, along with our proposed budget of $65 for the week. On Monday and Tuesday, the menu will be ribs, coleslaw, and baked beans. Yes, on Tuesday, there will be leftovers. And then jumping to Wednesday and Thursday, this meal will sound familiar. It's balsamic steak salad with peaches. It's a recycled meal from last week. We opted for something more kid-friendly as we had the little one. Then on Friday, we will eat out. And then Saturday, sandwiches and chips. And then finally on Sunday, we will have 3 packet pot roast red potatoes with red beans and rice. The spread needed just a little something extra, so I'm digging through my stash here, and what I came up with was something that would give us some more summer feels. So we have a sun, a slice of watermelon, and a beach ball. These are free stickers that I got from Paper House. Of course, no meal plan would be complete without the Happy Planner food sticker book. So I grabbed that and pull out 3 stickers. That salad there and 2 words, yum and favorite, in gold to go with the gold washi tape there. I felt like something was missing in this spread, and I decided to add a thick piece of washi, the same one that's on the bottom of the page, to the very top. So once I get this laid out right, you'll see exactly what I meant, that something was missing, and now the meal plan is complete with just a little bit of washi tape. So that completes our meal plan for this week. Let me straighten up a little bit. Let me remove the mouse and just straighten up here. I know this video is relatively short, but I wanted to go ahead and put it up to show you that even when you're pressed for time, as I am this week, there's always time for a meal plan, and sticking to your budget is still top on your list of priorities. So Mr. Master Plan is all set for this week. I will have his food meal prep tomorrow on Meal Prep Sunday, and I would have not blown my budget of $65 for the week. After I get off of this video, I'll jump on walmart.com/grocery to place my order and schedule it for pickup on Saturday. Now, I'm going to flip to the back here and show you how my shopping list came out. Of course, I have to use colorful boxes just about in every spread, and today is no different. So guys, I hope you're sticking to your meal plans and your budgeting, but most importantly, you are preparing food for your family with lots of love. And let's not forget good taste, because what is a meal prep or plan without good taste? Well, I hope you guys have a great and productive week, and I'll see you next week. Ciao, Bella.